Hello and welcome to the review by Fatima the Camel and I of the Fortune Cookie Soap Spring Quarterly Box. Oh, this box smelled absolutely heavenly. Yes, it did. Don't eat the soap or any other beauty product for that matter. The theme for this quarter is Made with Love. Yummy looking. And the reason I say quarterly is I subscribed just to a quarterly box. You can also subscribe to a monthly box if you should decide to do so. The Fortune Cookie Soap only comes in the quarterly box. And there is a link down below if you want to check it out. They also have a website shop. You do not have to be subscribed to their box in order to shop at the shop. And so, check it out and see what you think. On the back of the card, it tells you a little bit about each of the items that are in the box. These are deluxe sample sizes, so prices are not given. With all of that being said, let's jump in and see what we got in this box. Yes, the suspense is killing me. This first item is called the Half-Baked Bubble Scoop, and I do believe it's supposed to be like a bath bomb. Unfortunately, this one, even though it smells great, I'm not going to be able to use it, so it will find a new home in the Find a New Home box. I can't use this one. It is made with nuts, and I'm allergic to nuts, and I could probably chance it, but I really don't feel like winding up with an itchy rash. It says that it has the scent of sweet chocolate batter, butter, vanilla, and cream filled with southern pecans and crunchy praline. This is the Whip It Good, Real Good Whipped Soap. And it smells just heavenly. I'm gonna take a sip of your beverage every time I say the word smells heavenly. Fluffy wisps of coconut, melted butter, and sweet vanilla combine with freshly baked shortbread cookies to make one scrumptious blend. And yes, it smells heavenly. This is the Cake My Day Aloe Whipped Cream. And I think this is kind of cute. They've done it so that the aloe is over here and is one texture, and the cream is on the other side with a creamy texture. I think that was pretty smart. And it smells heavenly. Let's see what it says. It says, Cake My Day with golden shortcake topped with fresh strawberries and a big dollop of whipped cream. Oh, I think I want to use that one, and I will not eat it. We are halfway through this box. What do you see that you like? Comment down below. And now, moving right along with this video. This is the Shut Your Pie Hole Sea Salt Hair Spritz. That's nearly a tongue twister. And yes, it also smells heavenly. I'm not big on sea salt type hair products, but I did give this a try when I was opening up the box, and yeah, I think this might be one that I use occasionally. I might even want to try it. It says that it has a blend of lime, green lemon zest, and tart kiwi, along with vanilla cream. So definitely a good, heavenly scented combination. This is the Nice Ones booty scrub for your tushy. And it smells heavenly. Here we are. A rich and creamy buttery toffee with a crunchy nuts and gooey caramel drizzle. Now, the interesting thing is on this one, I did take a look at the ingredients and nuts are not listed. Just the shells of sunflowers. Sunflowers are seeds. So I think I can get away with using this one for a little scrub here, there, and everywhere. And yes, it smells heavenly. And last but not least is the fortune cookie soap in Donuts Make Me Go Nuts. Fatima, no! Oh, shucks. I thought I could get away with a nibble. It's soap. Don't eat the soap. Okay, I won't eat the soap. It wouldn't taste very good. This smells heavenly. So the Donuts Make Me Go Nuts fortune cookie soap, you'll go nuts over this bright mix of lemon poppy seed, brown sugar, and cake batter with a deliciously sweet blueberry glaze. You don't want to miss this. And yes, it smells heavenly. And that's the second half of the box. And what did you think looked good to you? I wish that YouTube had smell vision. This is the best scented box I've gotten from them yet. It does smell great. Taking a really quick look at the nitty-gritty of things. I mean the pricing. Like I said, you don't get individual prices because these are deluxe samples with the exception of the fortune cookie soap. The box did have a price increase, so I believe it is now $20 a month. I'm on their quarterly system, so you pay up front for all 4 boxes that you get during the year. I do believe the price per month is in the $20 cost range. Shipping is free. You get 1 full-size item and 3 deluxe samples if you go monthly. If you go quarterly, you get 5 deluxe samples and 1 full-size. Again, that's the soap, the fortune cookie soap. And like I said before, I have a link down in my description box, so be sure to check that out. You can buy products separately. You do not have to be subscribed to their box in order to purchase at their shop. So go check it out. They've got some really neat stuff down there. Anyway, we thank you for watching today. Comment, like, subscribe to us. We have lots of fun adventures. What item did you like the best? Let us know. I'm nosy. I want to know the details. Tell me more. Tell me. And if you've got some extra time, there should be something popping up on the screen if it hasn't done so already that you could take a look at. And if you've seen it before, maybe you want to see it again. Thanks for watching, and we do hope to see you again in another video. And yes, everything smelled heavenly. Yes, it smelled heavenly.